man. Oh man. Why does my throat hurt so bad? I think I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom to check my temperature. Let me check my temperature. Let me check it. Wrong drawer. Yeah. Here it is. Let me check this. I just read my temperature and it said I have a 106 fever. I feel so sick. And my throat hurts too. I just take some medicine. I forgot. Maybe the whole bag will be enough. Let me try and put these back. Whoopsies. Let me go play with my toys. Man, I can't even play dinosaurs. My throat hurts too bad. Man, what am I going to do? What's going on with me? I think I'm going to go to a doctor. Oh man, I can't wait for the doctor to get here. Hi, I'm the doctor. My name's Dr. Clinton. My name's Dr. Clinton. And I'm here to test you for COVID. I smear up nose. Stop it, it hurts. Alright, sir. No, actually, doctor say you did recover. So I'll be back in a second. Okay? Bye bye. Get safe. That man was very mean. Oh, shoved his finger up my nose and said I would stay. I'll just stay here and go to sleep. And I'll cry. Hey, what was that for? Sorry, I had to wake you up. But, you survived COVID. You good now. It's 6 feet away. I tested with you. Stay safe to me. Alright, kid. Leave doors that way. Stay at home. Stay at home. So are we. This is not real. Stay at home. Alright, I'm gonna go home.